Hello everyone! We are Axia West Sales Team. I'm Jen Santero and I'm with my team to showcase to you Axia's classic low-rise condominium product known as Midori. Tara! Samahan niyo kami i-discover ang ganda ng Midori at nang malaman kung bakit isa itong ideal condo investment.
Over the years, Axia has transformed ordinary pieces of land into vibrant residential communities featuring Midori condominium buildings.
Ang Midori product ay unang na-launch noong 2017 sa Rizal. Simula noon, nag-expand na ang Axia at dumami na ang Midori projects tulad nito. As of the moment, may mga finished at ongoing Midori projects located sa Rizal at Batangas.
Midori is a condominium like no other. Lahat ng current Midori projects ay located in strategic location nestled within nature. Kaya naman, ma-achieve na talaga ang tahimik, peaceful, at nature-driven environment na harap nating lahat.
Of course, meron ding project amenities na perfect for the family. Kaya staycation feels talaga every day.
Behind us is an actual single-detached Midori building. Ito ay 3-story condominium building with only 2 units per floor, ensuring privacy and exclusivity for every resident.
Ito naman ang sample cluster buildings.
Tara, i-check natin ang loob ng Midori Condo Unit.
Sa gitna ng building ay may stairway na magbibigay access sa 3 levels. Kada floor ay may 2 units. Ito ang facade ng isang condo unit. May covered terrace just right outside the main door na perfect spot to unwind, enjoy the view, or catch up with neighbors. Yung main door naman ay gawa sa steel kaya matibay. Pagpasok ng unit, bubungad ang malaking space for living and dining area. Ang floor area ng buong unit ay 50 square meters at ang turnover unit ay complete type finish. Gawa din sa concrete ang wall partitions. May malalaking sliding windows kaya siguradong well-ventilated at pasok ang natural light. Ito naman ang kitchen area with built-in granite kitchen countertop and sink. Meron din sa ilalim na kitchen cabinets. Pasok naman tayo sa napaka-spacious na toilet and bath. Ito naman ang 2 bedrooms with large windows. Dito sa may kitchen area ang service door leading to the covered patio. Kapag end unit, 2 ang opening. Kapag inner unit naman, 1 ang opening. Perfect ang space na ito as service area, kitchen extension, indoor garden, cozy balcony at iba pa. Napaka-flexible ng area na ito na talaga namang nagpadagdag sa charm at functionality ng condo unit.
Ito pa ang magandang feature ng Midori. Unlike other condos, hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng parking slots kasi may free use of parking spaces na dito.
Pagdating naman sa usapang affordability, pasok na pasok ang Midori. Flexible ang payment terms at available pa sa pag-ibig financing. Ideal din ito, passive income para sa mga investors.
And now, we are calling all sellers to discover our soon-to-rise Midori project in Cavite.
Yes! You heard it right! Magkakaroon ng Midori project sa Cavite kaya keep in touch with us to know more about our new project. A complete package of comfort, style, and value to a whole new location. Truly, Midori is a smart and worthwhile lifetime investment. One of that offers lasting and increasing value. Kaya naman,
Secure your new Midori condo investment. Inquire now!